Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to delete Snapchat account. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to Snapchat. After that we need to go to our account. And here go to settings. After that, scroll very down and click delete account. After that, you must enter your data and delete your account. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.